Hi guys. Um, this is that amp I've been struggling with, and I just wanted to say first of all, thanks for all the help you've given me so far. Still trying to get this thing figured out. I just wanted to make this quick video so you guys can definitely see um, where these wires are coming in and what they go to, because the way I sort of have this mounted on here, all the wires are right underneath and I guess sort of hidden. And you guys can probably see this on the schematic. Unfortunately, I can't really read those properly or completely, so I don't know. But anyway, so this here, this is the 12AX7 side. This is the rectifier side over here. These two wires here, the pink and gray, that's the input from the transformer. Basically, there's only 4 wires with that. 2 that come straight in from the AC, 1 through the little switch here, shouldn't matter. And then the 2 that come out input here. I'm not sure if that's primary or secondary. I don't really have a clue with that. And then all the wires that go to the original multicap, which is this guy, which is now unhooked, and the single caps that have replaced it, those are all here now. And the ones that are cloth covered, they're from the transformers. The ones that are, the regular wire covering and the bright colors, those are all the power cap positives. And they all go down through this little hole here. Same hole I have the transformer wires running through. And then they connect with their appropriate caps underneath and then come back up to the same hole. And the common negative that they all shared with the can cap is this black wire. Oops, sorry. Here. And that wire runs all the way down and is right here. And that goes into the board, sorry, right there. Now, I know you guys were saying that I need to get my cap negatives hooked to the rectifier negative, or the one gentleman said where the secondary comes from the transformer into the 12AX7. So I don't really know where any of that is, and if any of you guys could help me out with that, it would be extremely appreciated. And I could hopefully get this thing behind me and start moving on to maybe some more complicated projects. I was really hoping this would be a very simple one, because it worked fine before I recapped it. No hum, a very small amount of hum, and now it just, of course, hums like crazy. So anyway, thanks again for all the info and all the help. And I know you guys are trying to sort of work with me here. I don't know what I'm doing, really. But that's kind of the deal. I mean, this thing is really simple. So if you guys need video or pictures of the underneath of it, I can remove it from this piece of wood. It's going to be a really big pain. And of course, I should never have done this and mounted it until I tested it again with the new caps. But of course I didn't. So removing this will be a bit of a task. And just so you can see the bottom, this is kind of the deal with all the wires here. Everything is soldered really well. I mean, I took my time to make sure they were all proper solder joints. And I pretty much hot glued and used liquid electrical tape over all the connections, except for the little light gear, which I didn't get to that yet, but that works. So anyway, thanks again, and any info or help would be, greatly appreciated. See ya.